part of history, and not only is it currently helping in the fight against germs, including COVID-19 and the flu, but certain types of soaps are collected around the world for their ingredients. Case in point is Aleppo soap, which is made out of natural olive oil. Since 1945, the city of Aleppo in Syria has been renowned for producing this exclusive soap, using traditional centuries-old methods. Traditional Aleppo soap is made with a hot process, in which the olive oil, lye, and water are mixed in a large in-ground vat. These ingredients are boiled and mixed for 3 days. To become a thick liquid. Then the thick liquid is poured over large sheets of wax paper and is left to cool and harden. Next, the soap is precisely cut by workers who use rake-like tools. Each soap bar is stamped, and in this case it reads Pearl, a trading name for producing and trading gar soap and olive oil soap. Aleppo soap's main ingredient is olive oil, which moisturizes the skin and keeps it hydrated. Its olive green color indicates its high vitamin E content. Another ingredient, laurel oil, disinfects and helps strengthen the skin and gives the soap a distinctive, calming and comforting scent. Other key qualities to Aleppo soap is its mildness, which is ideal for those who suffer from skin allergies. It's not harsh and can be used for all skin types. Aleppo soaps also produce less foam, which makes them long-lasting and economical. Aleppo products offer many benefits and live up to their high standards, which have been dermatologically tested and approved in laboratories in Europe. Other Aleppo soaps include a lavender soap and lemongrass soap, which both also have a high percentage of olive oil among other natural ingredients. The lavender perfume oil is produced through steam distillation of blossoms and stalks. It has a delightful bloomy scent, a calming effect, and it helps with inflammations and disinfects. Lemongrass oil has a fresh scent and deodorizes and disinfects. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.